Hi bonsai friends, it's Mackie and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I dedicate this video to someone who's very close to our family. He is one of the people that my dad hired to help him create the Bonsai Ligan Garden, and he played a very big important role since day one. If you have been following this channel for a while, I think you already know who I'm talking about. You've definitely seen him a lot in my dad's videos. And yes, I'm talking about my dad's trusted assistant, Dodong. Dodong holds a very special place in our hearts, so I thought it would be nice for me to make a video and talk about him a little bit, and to those who are interested, you'll get to know him more since he didn't really talk much on the previous videos. But he does love it when my dad includes him in his videos, especially when a lot of people in Ligan can recognize him. Sometimes my dad would tell me stories that Dodong would come home from an errand and he would be like, "Uy, sir, ninangutan na ka ba? Dong, ikaw tong nasa YouTube sa Bonsai Ligan?" And he'd be like, "Oh, ako to." We know about this from our parents. I mean, every time we video call, they would give us updates. They say that he would come and talk about it with them. I remember when my dad and I would video call and he tells me how excited Dodong gets when they film new videos. And sometimes if my dad is not in the mood for a video, Dodong would be asking my dad, "Sir, video to sir. Kanina bonsai kaya pa ni nakita." And that would make my dad smile every time. Anyway, what we love most about Dodong is his loyalty to our family and how trustworthy he is. I wasn't there when my parents hired him, but he gained my parents' trust over the years, so he gained the whole family's trust. My parents trust him so much that they offered his whole family to live in our house. Yes, he is married with 2 little boys, and they offered his wife a job as well. Enough about me talking. Here's a little clip of me filming Dodong while he was taking care of our garden. Hey guys, it's Mackie. I am in the Bonsai Ligan Garden in Iligan City, Philippines. I want to introduce you to our loyal gardener. His name is Dodong. I want you guys to get to know him because he played a very big, important role in the Bonsai Ligan YouTube channel. Alright. Hi Dong, kumusta?
Oy, hello. Iligan Bonsai. I'm Dodong, assistant of Iligan Bonsai.
Gaon sa man karon Dong?
Nag-trim and cultivate the soil.
Mo ni mo ang routine kada adlaw as a gardener?
Oh, once a month. Oh. Once a week, and Shine the pot.
Shine the pot.
Shine. Kahamis.
Kapila man kagatrim sa isa ka adlaw?
Once a month gihapon.
Once a month. Ang fertilizer nimo?
Fertilizer complete 14-14. 14-14. Ibutang lang sa punuan. Gamay lang ana ang libot.
Unsa pa man imong
Insecticide. Simbos. Insecticide.
kapila man po ka mag-spray insecticide sa isa ka bulan?
Once a month lang.
Once a month po gyapon. Now dong mangutana ko sa imo adong kay curious man ni ang imong uban followers sa Bonsai Iligan. Gusto sila makaila sa imuha. Ilang pangutana kung naa ba ka experience sa bonsai sa una before ka nagtrabaho kang papa?
Wala, dihara ko kang sir. Dulay na train. Siya ay nagtudlo yun ako. Antod, nawala na siya. Ako na nag-maintain sa bonsai. Diri sa Iligan. Gitudloan naman ko niya. Nakamao naman ko. Pag train o pag atiman sa bonsai.
Unsa man to imong experience gatrabaho nimo kang papa? Di siya stricto?
Ito si sir, stricto pero sa pagtudlo niya. Kanang kinahanglan tudloan ka nga musuod gyud dito sa imong utok. Ya dito ko nakamaog yun kay murag jud budulot sa imong utok ang itudlo. Pero mas maayo kay aron dali ra ka makamao.
That's good. Stricto man gud siya sa amo mga anak.
Pero budulot gid ang itudlo sa.
Unsa man ang mga bonsai, mga techniques na imong nakatunan sa iyaha?
Daghan na, paut mga tapers, mga curve, grind, all around na.
All around na, that's good.
All around. And markot.
Pag markot, oh nakasulay po kag
Markot,
markot.
budding, grafting. Kanara. Budding, grafting.
Unsay mong ganahan sa bonsai?
Ganahan lang po ko ane kay diri mo ko nabuhi pod. Pero ang akong nahuna, mura kong nasa paraiso. Kanang mag lakaw-lakaw ko diri libot-libot sa bonsayan, mura kong nasa paraiso. Mura na ako sa langit.
Nasa Unaani di mo ang imagination sa langit.
Oh, yan eh. Mga kahoy, gagmay.
Sige, dili na ako magdugay pero unsa man imong last na message sa viewers sa Bonsai Iligan?
Salamat. Ako si Dudong Bonsai, assistant ni Sir Dulay, Dudong Alakri. Salamat sa iyong tanan. Maayong pagtanaw. Happy Bonsai. Happy Bonsai.
Thank you, Dong.
Sige.
So thank you guys for watching. If you want to send Dodong a message, just write it down in the comment section below and I will tell him to check his YouTube video once in a while. I hope you guys have a great day and happy bonsai.